everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be picking up on our Django series. So, alright, that's why it is so important to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. But thanks for joining us. So we just got done doing our Django Admin Start Project My Site. So, and a bunch of stuff was created. Alright, so we went through and we saw manage Pi, then another My Site, then some init, settings, URLs, and WSGI. We are going to concentrate right now on a little bit more on our Django admin and our manage .py file. So, alright, I talked briefly about Django-admin. It is, way to think about it is it's like a package manager, just like our pip. So and I'll have all, you can click this, or I'll have the links here. But let's come over here for a second. And this is touching, before we run the server, everybody else just goes straight into running the server. Oh, you have a development server, yay! Okay, but I want you to understand what you're doing. That's what we do here. Great, I show you how to do stuff, wonderful. I want you to know what you're doing, why you're doing it, and how to replicate it. When I was learning, I would go through the motions, and then you take it away, and then you get another question that's similar to it. You can't do it. You can't replicate it. I want you to know how to go and read the documentation and understand what you're doing, and then going forward. So, all right, here we go. This is exactly how and why and the structure of our Django-admin. So you have your, so here, let's just open up. So you got the Django admin, just like with our pip, you have all your instructions. So so we've already used start project. All right. In just a minute or two, we are going to be using run server, and then later we will be using start app. So, all right. So you have, and then you have even more. You can run helps. You can, and then where's the sub command? Where's the cool? So, yes, here we go. Available sub commands. So, all right. These are, we're probably really only going to use those I can't think of. So we've done one, we're about to do 2 and 3. It's eluding me right now that any more that we might touch on, but this is how and why it works. So in a second, we will be using our manage, and we're going to be running our server. So all right, let's just go ahead and have at this. All right. Nope, we're not down there yet. Sorry. Okay. So now, because we're about to actually run the server, and we're going to have some problems, but we're going to deal with that later, and then we're actually going to see this, and then, oh yeah, you can control the ports. Yeah. We'll deal with that at a later date. But all right, let's go ahead and pop this up. Here we are. So py manage.py run server. So you literally now have a server, and I'm going to show you. You can either copy and paste this, or how awesome Django is. You can just click this, and this is literally running on your computer. Hang on. Let me show you. Yep. There we go. Okay. So let's click back over here. This is you and me. It's our own computer, and this is the port. All right. So clicking back over here, and all right. Let's go back. So then we can have control over even what ports to use, and even more control, but don't go too far. This is how powerful, but we need to discuss this problem right here. Starts the development server. This is not a server. Don't think that you have figured it all out and you go from there. This is for rapid development, non-production. This is not a production server, okay? This is your temporary. When you set up your real server, you will take this out of development and put it in a production environment, okay? This is, I cannot say this enough and forcefully. You are not running a production server. Do not put this up, people. There is zero security. They will get into your system, okay? This is not you running a web page, all right? That's the disclaimer. This is just so you can see what you're doing. Development server. Let's see. Do not use this for production, okay? There. I've said it. Let me zoom in. That's not what I want to put this right. There. So I'll have all these links, but this is the building blocks of, so you can see what you're doing. So there we go. All right. And we will just continue on through this. And this is why we do micro videos, because this can be so overwhelming, so absolutely overwhelming. But we will get it. We will do it together, and we will fill in any gaps that you've had, because I'm sure that you maybe have tried and gotten frustrated, and that's fine. It's fine to get frustrated and have setbacks. It absolutely is. But we'll move forward, and we'll get it done. It's all right. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.